Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Revolut to crypto wallet. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the process and the method and how you can simply send money from Revolut to crypto wallet, best thing to do is to launch your Revolut app on your mobile device, then go to the crypto section in the app, then tap on the crypto tab, then to access your crypto holdings, then select the cryptocurrency to send. You can simply choose the cryptocurrency from the list, maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, depends on your preference. Then from there you have to tap on send button to initiate the transfer process. Then from there you have to tap on add wallet address, then enter the wallet address of the external crypto wallet you want to send funds to, then complete any security verification prompt. For example, you can you can complete the 2FA verification, which is two-factor authenticator. From there, then you have to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Then from there you have to double check the recipient wallet address and the amount, then tap on confirm transfer to send the cryptocurrency to the external wallet and wait for transaction. The transaction will be processed. It might take some times for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain network, and that's how you can simply send money from Revolut to crypto wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.